This is my campsite for tonight. It's free. It's in Tennessee. I left the George Dickel distillery and drove about 45 miles southeast. Back roads, naturally. And I'm camping out here in a Franklin State forest. Not a state park, but a forest with free camping. There's about 5 slots. And got that great little pond. There's a spot way over there, but the road goes down and up and it's sort of gravelly. And if it's supposed to rain tonight, I don't want to get flooded. There's a trash can, picnic table, and some fire pits. I sort of parked over here off to the side, and I have a picnic table and a fire pit made out of rock. Tomorrow's Saturday. Oh, I'm sorry, tomorrow's Friday. So I can stay here tonight, see how the crowds come in for the weekend. They aren't too bad. I may stay another day. Then I have some more things to see, some more adventures planned. So stay tuned, folks. It's gonna be great. You know it. All right, I'm getting ready to head out. It's been a fun 4 days here. It rained almost all weekend, and the weekend brought still some people here. Quite a crowd. It was fun. I am here at the South Cumberland State Park outside of Swanee, Tennessee, and I'm going to go hike to the Natural Bridge. Luckily, it's not a far hike. You come down these stairs, and there it is. It looks like you can even walk across it. Let's see. Yep, there it is. You can walk across it. I am on top of the Natural Bridge. Need a mirror right about there to bounce off and show back at me. There's a cave down there. Right there's the opening of the bridge. Look at all the moss. Got a nice little landing up here. The view. Lots of birds. Yeah, you can step down here and go under the bridge. Let's do that. Here we go. Under the bridge. Right up there is where I walked across. How's that for an arch? Very nice. This would be a great area to do some rock climbing in too. Not too far up, but it's there. I am arriving at the Lone Rock in Swanee, Tennessee. It's over there by the van, and this is the domain of the University of the South. So I'm thinking there might be great views up here. A lot of graffiti. A lot of graffiti. I'm at the top of the rock. Got some trees, but look at that view. Isn't it gorgeous? Right here in Sewanee, Tennessee, folks. Here's a view of the top of the rock. See all the graffiti. And then there's the steps coming up or going down. There are no handrails on this rock. There's no safety guide. The rail's over there. But what's sad is that in 2012, somebody actually fell off and died. Here's the edge. It is a long way down there. And I guess you hit that tree and bounce off, you could keep rolling on down. Sad. Well, I decided to hike down to the bottom of the rock before it goes down that hill. And there's another cliff right there. What's interesting is about this rock is mountain climbers have used it. I don't know if it's for training or what, but right there is one of those pinions, and there's a couple more. I don't know if they'll show up here. There's one there, and there's one up near the top. Right there. There's 4 of them. And they go bonk, 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 bonk. Interesting. Here is that other cliff I was telling you about. It goes on down. So if you fell from up there, hit that tree, bounced off this way, hit these rocks, rolled down, you've got another 40-foot drop. Yeah, that would do you in. I am at a restored vintage gas station here in Cowan, Tennessee. All kinds of stuff inside. Got a nice old car, Ford. Lady mannequin, man mannequin. Pretty neat. Hey everyone, hope you're having fun. I am, and you should be too. Well, Rose was having trouble sleeping and she was telling Betty about it. So one afternoon Betty came over and she had a brownie. It was what you might consider one of those funny brownies or wacky brownies, you know. And she said, Rose, I want you to eat this brownie about 2 hours before you go to bed, and this should help you sleep better. And I'll call you tomorrow morning and see how it went. Sure enough, Rose took the brownie, went to bed. Next morning, Betty called her up, Said, well, Rose, how was that? Did you sleep good last night? And Rose said, yeah, I slept pretty good, but I don't ever want one of those brownies again. And Betty said, why? And Rose said, I watched this movie after I ate that brownie and I cried the whole way through it. And Betty said, well, Rose, was it a sad movie? Rose goes, no. Problem was, I accidentally put the TV on mute and I cried all the way through the movie because I thought I was deaf.